I cook so much stuff. God put this video in front of me. He actually sent it to my DM. But baby girl, God pulled covers back. It was the reason nobody didn't show up at your doorsteps, at your door sill. People is fake. Because the moment they would have left out your house, they would have tooted their nose up at you anyway and talked behind your back, especially your family, especially your no good friends. That's why nobody didn't show up. God said that food did not go to waste. He didn't help you to prepare that food for nothing. It's a lot of hungry people outside. It's a lot of hungry people whose stomach is touching their back. So wipe your eyes. And I hope you not chit-chatting and kicking with the same bitches who left you hanging. It's after Thanksgiving. They might want to call now. Hang up. Hang up. Fuck them.